Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when only one earbud is working. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, then close the case, open it again, and after that remove the headphones from the charging case. If it didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, put your headphones to the charging case, and after that close the case, open it again, and press and hold connectional button at the back for at least 15 seconds, until you can see that LED light it starts flashing orange. Here we go. Now close the case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget device. Now open the case and press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds, until you can see that LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now click on your headphones. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!